Greetings, adventurers. It is December of 2025, and we have just arrived at Disney's All-Star Music Resort for our Christmas 2025 vacation. We are staying in the Country Fair section in building number 5. This room is a standard room and does feature the table that will fold down into a queen-size Murphy bed. We'll show you how to do that later. It has a nice end table with some sockets and storage, the in-room phone. This standard room does feature the Mickey, Minnie, and Donald, like many of the standard rooms do at the All-Star resorts. This is the queen-size bed here that is stationary. It does have storage underneath and has another nice little side table and electrical plugs. These light switches here do turn on and off these lights here on each edge of the picture. The bathroom is divided from the living space by a sliding door, which is nice, even though after a long park day that can be a little bit heavy. Hi there. Let's see. Turn on the light. Here in the front part of the bathroom area, we have a shelf on top of the closet area with some hangers for hanging. You can also put some luggage in here if you would prefer. There is lots of ample shelving space here in the bathroom for storage. And they also have an iron and a hair dryer here and an ironing board hanging here on the wall. They have transferred here at the All-Star Musics to the new refillable body lotion and hand soap dispensers, but for right now they do still have bar soap as well and a few towels. Now, heading into the second part of the bathroom area, this area is divided by another sliding door from the front part of the bathroom and features a full-length mirror. Hi there. There is some information as you come in the door about Disney's Planet Possible project and reusing your towels and being conservative with water and things. There's some nice towel hangers here, more towels on this side. This portion of the bathroom does feature a trash can, and the shower does feature sliding doors, which are very nice. As opposed to a shower curtain, you don't have to worry about it not hanging where you want it to. It does feature a shower head as well as a bathtub and has the Disney reusable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash dispensers. There's also a little shelf here for you can put utensils and body wash and things of that nature that you bring with you. Now, coming back out of the second part of the bathroom, back into the first, and then back into the living area again. Here you will find a nice little hanger area, good for coats, bags, and things. This particular room is adjoining, but if you do not have anybody in the adjoining room, then you can just leave that closed. You can also use this space to block it off with some luggage and such things. Here we have a nice drawer and dresser area with a large flat screen TV. This shelf here does provide some electrical plugs and has good space for charging your electronics, emptying pockets, and putting things when you come back into the room at the end of the day. It features 3 good-sized drawers, as well as a double chest area with doors that has a Bible, a safe, and 2 shelves. Now right now you will notice that there are 2 spare pillows for the fold down bed. The other 2 are on the stationary bed. So it does have, the Murphy fold down bed does have 4 pillows like the stationary bed, you just have to find them. There's a little light fixture here above the trash can and the recycling. Over here we have the coffee maker with some Joffrey's coffee, as well as some Twinings tea and some condiments to go with your coffee or tea. We have the ice bucket and some cups. This is the current mousekeeping schedule here at Disney's All-Star Music Resort, but that is subject to change. Underneath the coffee pot, we have a drawer. And then underneath that, we have the beverage chiller. Now, this is not a mini fridge, this is a beverage chiller, but we've never had trouble with it keeping water and Powerades and Body Armors and drinks of that sort nice and cold. Now, on top is also this nice shelf. This is a fun place to keep popcorn buckets. If you get those while you are here, they kind of are displayed where you can enjoy them, and they're also easily accessible if you choose to take them back with you into the parks. Next to the coffee maker area, we have the thermostat, and then here we have the window. Now we have a nice thick curtain here, and then if you pull it back, it has a more see-through thin curtain that allows some light in while not being able to be seen in. And as of right now, it is dark, so this is our current dark time view out of our room, and I will come back later during the daytime and show you that view better here from the room. And that is all for our standard room tour here at Disney's All-Star Music Resort in the Country Fair building. We will be back later to show you all of the daytime views here from the room, as well as how to fold down the Murphy bed. Ready. And this is how you fold down the Murphy bed. Just move the chairs, grab the handle, and pull. Sometimes they do squeak. And here in the standard rooms, they have this cute picture of Huey, Dewey, and Louie here at the All-Stars. They have their dreams of being sports, movie, or music stars. And again, the extra pillows for this bed can be found in the cabinet as well as on the other bed. Sorry guys, I totally was having so much fun on this trip that I forgot to get a recording out the window during the daytime. But here is the view standing right outside our window at night with the camera lighting on, so you can see what our view was like.